In this video, we'll discuss adding tax to an estimate. The costs in Clear Estimate's part library don't include any tax, so you'll want to add tax to your estimate if needed. To add tax to your project, the first step is to find your projects page right here. From your projects page, scroll down to the very bottom. That's where you'll find this Miscellaneous Items tool right here. The Miscellaneous Items tool is what we'll use to add tax to the project. So when you're ready to add in tax, the next step is to click the plus to create a new miscellaneous item. That's going to pull up this new window where it's just going to ask you for a couple of pieces of information. We'll want to add in a description. We'll want to add in a value. And we'll want to choose which report our tax items will show up on. So next, let's add in a description. To do that, I'm just going to click into this field here and type in tax. Over on the right side, we have a choice between a dollar amount or a percentage. A percentage allows us to calculate our tax item based on the project cost, so we're going to go ahead and click percentage right here. Next, we'll want to add in our value. So if this was a 6% sales tax, we can add that in right here in this field. Just below, we have some choices in terms of how we want this to calculate. If we click this drop down here, we'll see all of the different options available. We can calculate based on the actual total cost of our project before markup. We could do it based on the total markup amount. We could also do it based on the base bid, which is our total and markup together. And you'll see additional options below. I'm going to just set this up to calculate based on my actual total cost. And down below, we see the actual total cost of the project, and then the value of my miscellaneous cost item. Over on the left, we'll want to make sure that all of the proposals in which we want to see our sales tax are checked using these boxes here. These boxes stand for preliminary, formal, subcontractor, and cost status report. I'm just going to make sure all of these different boxes are checked, and then we're going to click Save Item. We get confirmation that the miscellaneous item was updated, and then I can close out of this modal here. Back on the projects page, we see our tax line, we see the value, and we see the total after tax here is our running total. Down at the very bottom, we'll see the final number shown to the customer here in orange. So now let's take a look at how the tax will look on our report. To do that, we're going to scroll back up to the very top of this page. And then we're going to find this View Report button right here and click Print to PDF. This is my formal proposal, so I'm going to scroll down to my project cost. And we see my project cost is listed. Below that, we see the value of my tax item. And then we see the total after tax down at the very bottom. So just to recap, when you're ready to add in a miscellaneous item, you're going to head back to your projects page here. You're going to scroll down to your miscellaneous items section. You're going to click the plus to create a new item. And then you're going to add in the info that's required and click Save Item.